All right, cousins, the time is here. I told y'all Brandon, he don't be playing when it comes to shipping. So we have my order, you know. Got a couple of things, you know, how I be doing. I figured one thing would be something that I actually wanted, and the other thing to celebrate hitting 10K. So that's what we're doing here. So, true unboxing. The shipping was quick. I told y'all it was gonna start shipping out in April. Of course, Brandon be trying to do that earlier because y'all be complaining like, oh my God, I didn't get my shipment, even though it says on there April, but he be working overtime to get the orders out quickly. I'm trying to make sure y'all don't see my address. We're just gonna sit her down, okay? I think we're gonna start off with this one because, yeah. So if you're not familiar with my videos or unboxings with Brandon Blackwood, this is the box that it comes in. Of course, you get the card. I've always loved this card. This is like almost like my most favorite thing about the unboxing is this card. He's had it for years, and how he prints it makes it seem like it's like customized just for you. All right, so here is how it's settled in there. Foam insert. Can you guys guess what she got? We ended up buying Jasmine. Jasmine. Hey, Jasmine. Jasmine. Ooh. First and second of all, I didn't think she would be this tiny. I'm gonna be 100. Didn't think she would be this tiny. But nonetheless, she is a cutie. Look at this oil slick. Oh, look at the reflection. Look at it, darling. She looks like, oh, money bags. Ooh, her name is Ethel. Ooh. All right, let's do a little undressing of the hardware. Just a little bit. I don't want to do too much. You know, I like to do that in my private time. So, let me see how this is. Of course, we got the hang tag with the information of care. We have long shoulder strap. And I think we just got some regular stuffing right here. And some jelly beads. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is how it looks inside. Sorry about the lighting today. We're using that Au Natural. Okay, it does have a slip pocket on the side. This is so cute. This is honestly what I need. Just really, really cute business. This is definitely my 10K bag because y'all know I've worked very hard for quite some years to get to 10K, and I finally hit it this year. And I was like, you know what? I need to be about my business, that money, that green, that education, that whatever. But yeah, real quick, you know, you can't really hook it and crook it, but it's a cute little bag. The feet, they are covered, so that's what they look like. Obviously, they match the hardware of the bag. But yeah, hold on, there's a clochette too, I forgot. You can undo you too. Look at that. Fabulous, absolutely fabulous. The glaze on here is really nice. I don't know who he gets to glaze his bags, but the glaze is good. Stitching looks good. Hardware looks good. Everything about this bag is very proportioned. And that's what I really like. Oh, look. Okay, so. And then to open it, hold on. Don't focus on me, focus on the bag. Come on, camera, do your job. Right here. You go bop, and then you open it. Hold on. Where's my nails? Like that. Ooh, it's cute. So remember how I was saying, you probably won't be able to get a ton into this bag. You'll probably only get like maybe that much. I'll come back and do like a what's in my bag if you guys want that. But yeah, it has with the oil slick bags, like they have these kind of almost natural indentations. Almost, I don't want to use the word scuff, but that's kind of the vibe it is. It's almost like a natural scuff mark. It sounds bad, I know, scuff marks, don't nobody want that, but I mean, I like it because you're not afraid mentally to use your bags. But look how stunning this is. A little cutie patootie, okay? This is a little cute bag. I low-key wish I did get the pink one, the hot pink one. I think that was a new color, but this one was always the color that I wanted. So it's a really cute bag. I'm happy with her. I really am. Okay, all right. So just so you guys know, the this part of the bag where this handle is stationary. So only the handle moves up and down. So I wonder how that's going to be on the, I mean, well, it's looped around, so it shouldn't be an issue. Okay, but I just like the single handle. It's cute, it's cute. Love that. So that was my first bag. Because this was the spring collection, I wanted to get a spring bag. So I saw this, I immediately said yes. I believe it is sold out, but I did tell you guys what I was getting. This is a big box. Okay. So let's put your stuff in here. Again, you get your thank you card. Y'all should really know what this bag is if y'all watched my analysis of the collection. If you didn't see that video, bong up top, y'all can always go back and just look at it, because sometimes, you know, he'll still have things in stock. He'll restock things. So, you know, always check that out. So I got Corey. Corey. Yeah. Corey. The Corey bucket bag, gold hardware. This is absolutely fabulous. Again, he does use the oil slick, so it's very smooth. Even the Jasmine bag, but get a load of it. Oh, don't even focus on me, camera. You worried about the wrong thing today. Look at the detail. This right here, oh, I love it. This right here, the tips of them, love it. Okay, let's get into it. Nice little standard drawstring. Okay, let's throw the hang tag. Again, crossbody strap. And this is what I really love. It came with a top handle. I love a dual strap moment. Now, the only thing is, from what I can see, you can't put them both, well, I mean, you could put them on the same time, but it's only one D-ring. So keep that in mind. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I like when they put this little piece in, right? Hold on. You see how it's raised right here? I love that because it provides a little bit more cushion when you're holding it top handle. Louis Vuitton does that with some of their handbags, at least some of their old ones. And it's a nice little squishy little thing too. Let me see if he got brand. Okay, he doesn't have any branding on it. You need me on your team, because I would have just right here in the center, right here, you could have put brand, stamp it. You could have stamped it Right there, Brandon Blackwood, New York. That's it. That's it. Like, come talk to me. I hold on. I gotta take this plastic off, child. I'm about to put this through. I'm not gonna do the long strap. So if you was looking for something to be like, oh, let me show you. This is just an unboxing, child. Wait for the review, okay? Well, even if y'all want a review, let me know. So, oh dear. That's one thing. Your stuff gonna come all the way plastic. Oh dear. Oh me, oh my. Is it? I mean, I wouldn't be that girl to do this, but who is calling me? Oh, it's my mother. Hold on, please. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, I'm gonna call you in like 10 minutes.
Ain't no rush. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Back to the regular schedule programming. It feels like some sort of suede. It is a pit inside, but what I liked about this, right here, it's a white bag, so you're not gonna see it. There's card slots right here. You see that? Oh, yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3 card slots. Very, very soft leather. So I don't foresee myself like fiddling really hard with it. I wish I had a card right here just to test it out. But beautiful. And we love this. We love feet at the bottom. Oh, I'm missing the cover. Or did I? Who cares? Child, it don't matter. But yes. Am I afraid to use this? Just a little bit, only because it's a white bag and it's a white bag. But I do like the fact it does have a button closure as well. So it adds a bit more security. Don't blow me out now. Don't blow me out. So I probably will not wear it like this, but you know, your girl, you got options. So maybe, hold on, maybe if that would make more sense. Stupid. Pull the drawstring in and then you can connect it. Hold on, I gotta fix my ISO. We got to turn her down just a little bit. Nope, that went up. 4,000. There we go. But hopefully y'all can. Oh my God. It's very soft and pliable. So if you were concerned about like a stiff leather, this stiff leather. This one, pliable leather. So how cute. Hooking and crooking around the streets. Excuse me. I just love the fact that it has feet at the bottom. Warms my heart. There were other bags that I did want, and I really had to resist the urge because, again, I got a lot of 40th birthday parties to go to and trips and things. So I really, oh my God, I still think about, because I keep seeing the ads. I keep seeing the linen bag for, oh my God, I can't think of the name. I'll pop the picture up. But let me tell you, it is haunting me right now. But I did like this bag in the like the tan. The tan one was in my cart for 2.5 seconds. I was like, do I really want a white bag? Because, you know, I do still have my Vavoon bag, you know, sis be all the way black luxury designers, but I still have my Vavoon bag, which I absolutely love. But I just wanted something very like simple and carefree. I mean, that bag is simple and carefree too, but a little pit, okay? And I love bucket bags, and I don't have a mini bucket bag, so that's why I was like, oh my God, she's so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is gonna be so cute for the summer. And I don't even think I really want to wear the long crossbody strap, Usually his straps are plus size friendly. That's why I didn't even try it on, because I already know a lot of them are. But this bag, if you didn't get Corey, you just got something else. You just got something else. But I'm super happy with my purchases. Let me know what you got, what you want to get, what you think about getting. Let's have the conversation down in the comment section. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, cousins.